Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to download the Amazon app on your smartphone or tablet in just a few easy steps. If you are using iPhone, this guide has got you covered. Let's jump right in. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Then open your App Store. In the App Store, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Then type Amazon and hit the search button. You have to look for the app with the familiar Amazon logo or smile underneath the word Amazon. Once you have found the Amazon app, tap install button. As in my case, I have already downloaded the Amazon application, so you can see open instead of install. So if you are downloading for the first time, you can see the install button instead of open. You have to just tap on it. You just have to wait few minutes while app downloads and install on your device. This usually doesn't take long. Once the download is completed, tap on open to launch the app. And that's it. Now you have Amazon app on your device, ready to shop for anything you need. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.